Luma, help. I said I'm in the bus stop, and the guy looked at me like I was living there.
Oh no. Grammar emergency.
Then I said I'm on the bus stop, and somehow that was worse.
Much worse. Please don't stand on the bus stop.
So what do I say?
Stay here. Today we fix in, on, and at without pain. Hey everyone, welcome back to Read to Talk. I'm Luma.
And I'm Steve. It's grammar day, and apparently I can't stand near public transportation correctly.
That is true, but today we fix it.
Good, because tiny words like in, on, and at cause huge problems.
Yes, they're small, but they're everywhere.
And my brain mixes them like a smoothie.
Then let's make it simple. Here's the basic feeling. In equals inside. On equals touching a surface. At equals a point or place.
Okay, that actually sounds simple.
It is simple. Real life makes it messy.
Of course it does.
Let's start with in. We use in when something is inside a space.
Example?
I'm in the car. The milk is in the fridge. She's in the kitchen.
So in means inside something.
Exactly.
I'm in the supermarket.
Perfect.
I'm in trouble.
Also correct. Very emotionally correct. Now on. We use on for a surface.
So touching the top of something.
Yes, exactly. Examples. The phone is on the table. The picture is on the wall. There's some butter on the bread.
Okay, surface equals on.
Yes.
The groceries are on the table.
Perfect.
I'm on the table?
Please don't be. Now at. We use at for a point, a location, or a place in a general way.
Example?
I'm at the bus stop. She's at school. They're at the supermarket. We met at the entrance.
So at is like a place point.
Yes, a specific point or location.
So the correct sentence is I'm at the bus stop.
Exactly.
Not in the bus stop, not on the bus stop.
Yes, unless you are doing something very strange.
Okay, wait, let me compare. I'm at the supermarket. I'm in the supermarket. My apples are on the table.
Perfect.
So at equals the place, in equals inside the place, on equals surface.
Exactly. You're alive. Grammar is alive. Everyone wins.
But I also hear in, on, and at with time.
Yes, very common. Let's keep it simple. At equals exact time. Use at for exact times. Examples, at 3 p.m., at noon, at midnight.
So the class starts at 8.
Perfect. Use on for days and dates. Examples, on Monday, on Friday, on my birthday, on June 10th.
So grammar day is on Monday.
Exactly. Use in for months, years, and longer periods. Examples, in March, in 2026, in the morning, in summer.
So I started learning English in 2025.
Perfect. Okay, quick game.
Small pressure, I'm ready.
The keys are blank the bag.
In the bag.
Good. The coffee is blank the table.
On the table.
Good. I'm waiting blank the bus stop.
At the bus stop.
Excellent. The lesson starts blank 7 p.m.
At 7 p.m.
Good. We have grammar day blank Monday.
Yeah, on Monday.
Yes, I started this job blank 2024.
In 2024.
Perfect.
Let me guess. People mix these all the time.
All the time.
Like, I'm in the bus stop.
Wrong.
I'm on Monday.
Very wrong. Please don't stand on Monday.
The milk is at the fridge.
Also wrong.
So the correct ones are at the bus stop, on Monday, in the fridge.
Exactly. Let's make it super easy. Place. In equals inside. On equals surface. At equals point or location. Time. At equals exact time. On equals days or dates. In equals months, years, and longer periods.
That actually feels clear now.
Good, that's the goal.
I was confused at the beginning, but now I'm in a better place.
Nice.
And my notebook is on the table.
Perfect ending.
Okay, everyone, write one sentence with in, one with on, and one with at in the comments.
Yes, use real-life examples. That's the best way to remember.
Thanks for learning with us.
See you next Grammar Day.
Bye!
Bye!